Unleash explosive growth with the Phlizon PL2000 LED Grow Light. Tired of lackluster yields from your indoor garden? Get ready to witness a transformation. We're diving deep into the Phlizon PL2000, a game-changing LED grow light that's about to revolutionize your plant growth. The Phlizon PL2000 boasts high-efficiency LM281B LEDs. These LEDs deliver a full spectrum of light, mimicking the sun's rays. This ensures your plants thrive through every stage, from seedling to flowering. This grow light is dimmable, giving you precise control over light intensity. Adjust the brightness to perfectly match your plant's needs. It's like having a personal sundial for your indoor garden. This 200W LED grow light replaces a traditional 1000W HPS RMH light. It covers a 3x3 area, perfect for small to medium grow tents. You'll save up to 50% on energy costs while enjoying superior results. With a light efficacy of up to 2.8 UmW, the Phlizon PL2000 maximizes light output. Expect a ppfd value of 1273 UmOL M2 at 12 inches, leading to 30% higher yields. Get ready for a bountiful harvest. The Phlizon PL2000 features a daisy chain function. Connect multiple lights to expand your growing area, simplify control and management for larger setups. This grow light operates silently thanks to its fanless design. It's also waterproof, ensuring durability and longevity. The advanced sealing technology protects the light board from moisture damage. The Phlizon PL2000 has garnered a 4.4-star rating from over 1,300 reviews. Users praise its value, effectiveness, and minimal heat output. Many compare it favorably to more expensive brands. One user raves about the strong light and easy setup, comparing it to Spider Farmer. Another appreciates the cool operation and high-quality light at a low price. See what everyone is raving about. Ready to experience the Phlizon PL2000 difference? Head over to the Amazon product page for the Phlizon PL2000 LED Grow Light to learn more and make your purchase. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your indoor garden. Click the link in description to check the latest price, read more reviews, and order yours today. Start growing bigger, healthier, and more vibrant plants with the Phlizon PL2000. Your plants will thank you.